In this video, I'll show you how to check if you can play Roblox on GeForce Now in 2026. First, open a new tab in your browser and search for GeForce Now game list, then press enter. Click on the first official link that appears, which shows the GeForce Now supported games library. Once the page opens, scroll through the game list or use the search bar to look for Roblox. You will notice that Roblox does not appear in the GeForce Now supported games list. This means Roblox is currently not available to play directly on GeForce Now. Because of this, you cannot launch Roblox through GeForce Now at this time. However, you can use an alternative cloud gaming platform. Open a new tab and search for Now, GG. Click on the official website, then search for Roblox inside the platform. Now, GG allows you to play Roblox through your browser without downloading it, making it a useful alternative to GeForce Now for Roblox players. And that's how you can check and play Roblox using cloud gaming options in 2026. If this video helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more gaming tutorials.